Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to merge cells in Google Sheets. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try to open the Google Sheet. Okay, and here you can see so many different cells like with so many different rows and columns. Okay, let's take an example. Okay, so what I will do is like I will just uh, give some name. I will just give it as name. Okay, suppose if we want to merge this cell with this particular cell, means for that what you can do is like just select the number of cells which you want to merge. Suppose if I want to merge these two cells, means so select those two cells and go to the format, and here you can see the merge cells option. Okay, so I will just select it as merge all. So once we select the merge all, so here you can see the both the cells have been merged. Okay, and if I want that particular name to be in the center, means you can just select it as a center. Okay, so this is how you can merge two different cells in Google Sheet. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.